This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. This is how to take a GE oven door off. We open it and we pull the latch away from you, or I'm sorry, towards you on both sides, all the way towards you as far as it'll go. Sometimes they're kind of stuck and you can use like a standard head screwdriver to pry at it from the top, and then it should hinge towards you. I'm just using my knife here. Gonna pry it toward me and then all the way down as far as it'll go. And then you're gonna open up or close the door to about 60 degrees and make sure you hold it really tight, support it, kind of heavy. And what'll happen is as you open it, it will come out. The little forks will come out of the oven body, and then you'll be able to support the door and move it away. Maybe it'd be good for when you do some cleaning or if you ever need to replace the oven igniter. So as I close it, it'll actually kind of kick the door out. The little forks will come out from inside the oven body, and then I can lift it out and then put it off to the side. So it's pretty easy, pretty quick and easy to do. You can just set it off to the side here. Today we're going to cover how to put a GE oven door back on. So we just did some cleaning, we're going to put it back on. I'm supporting it with two hands. I've got my knees behind it to give it even more support. I'm going to put the forks back into the two holes in the oven body. I want to push in as far as I can go. Just take your time, make sure you don't hurt your back. Push it all the way in. You're coming in at about a 60-degree angle, and then you're going to go ahead and let it go all the way down 90 degrees to where it's horizontal or parallel with the ground. And then you're going to close this left latch, push it all the way forward. And there's one on the right side, same thing, you're going to hinge it, push it all the way forward. And then you can just practice making sure the door will close correctly and open correctly. And if it didn't work, then it's okay just to try it a few times until you get it. Some oven doors it goes on really easily, and sometimes you have to wrestle with it a little bit. But just make sure you take your time, don't hurt your back, and use your knees behind it to help support it. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance.